Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today it's That's So True by Gracie Abrams from her deluxe version of her album The Secret of Us. This song has 4 chords. We only use 3 of them for all of the verses, the pre-choruses, the chorus. It's not until the bridge that we use that 4th and final chord. So let's learn the first 3 and the main pattern, and then we'll tag on that last one for the bridge at the end. The song is in G flat major. So I'm going to be all up on these black keys, starting on that G flat, B flat, D flat. Can add a root in my left hand, getting ready for it all. So, G flat major. We are going to start on that. It's the key of the piece. We're then going to move that down. I'm showing you the block chords to B flat minor. B flat minor. Start on that B flat and give us a B flat, D flat, F. Black, black, white. And find that root in the left hand, get comfortable on it. And then our third chord, to wrap up what we need for the verses and the choruses and pre-choruses, is our A flat major. Give me an A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat. Practice that root in the left hand. Yes. Let's walk through that slowly. We start on that G flat. Then find that B flat minor, then right next door, A flat major. Yeah, start it over again. Twice as long on the G flat, then the B flat, then the A flat. We can do it sparse. Think about the rhythm you want to hear, how much or little of it, and practice putting that into your hands. All right, as you noticed in that pattern, that first chord, the G flat, was always twice as long, 2 measures you could say, while the others were only 1 measure. In our bridge, every chord is just 1 measure. We start again on that G flat, then we go again to that B flat minor. We know these chords, same as before, we love them. Here's the new one, the 4th and final chord I promised. Our D flat major. D flat, F, A flat. Find that root in the left hand. D flat, F, A flat. Black, white, black. That's our 4th and final chord. We'll come to that as our 3rd chord of the bridge. And then the 4th chord of the bridge, the last one, is again our A flat that we know and love. So we hammer each of those out for 1 whole measure of 4 beats. Starting on that G flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat minor. 4. D flat major. A flat major. Does it a second time. B flat minor. D flat major. A flat major. And then we go back to our main pattern. Yes. I love that song. It's a really fun time. Go back and practice those patterns. Practice makes better. Don't be afraid to like, subscribe, share, comment. Even check out our memberships and get early access to great videos like these and some of our members-only videos as well. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.